Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to fix your Send browser problem. So now my PC on, I use Send browser, and when I'm search Send browser, so Send browser is not valid. So guys, I'm now check review uninstaller. So guys, I'm open review uninstaller. This is my Send browser and logo is not show. So how can I fix this browser problem? So guys, now can I'm see how to fix this problem. So I'm just search Send browser and hit enter and go to Send browser website and click download. I'm just new repair and browser restore my data. So keep watching my video. So guys, now I'm just download Send browser and I'm check set as default browser. So now can install. So keep watching my video. So maybe Send browser install and backup your data, restore his data. So I'm waiting for response. So installing just finish line. So guys, now install complete. So I want to show your data and my previous Gmail account. So guys, now waiting opening Chrome browser and already backup my previous Gmail, the sync patch, so I can sign in again. So goodbye.